everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with hashtag Two Crafters One Design, which is hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Girliest Cards, which is Gloria, and You See Why I'm a Diva, which is Lisa. We also enter our projects into Saturday Morning Makes, which is hosted by Jillian Norwood, and these collabs are open for everyone. So starting out, I have made Christmas trees. And so that was our theme for this week for hashtag Two Crafters One Design. Now we will not be doing anything for the next couple weeks because we're taking a Christmas break, New Year's, everybody wants to celebrate with their families, which gives me the opportunity to wish all of you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I'm not for sure if I'll be posting anything, maybe not. Just keep a lookout. And then, coming back on January 6th, we're all coming back and we're going to have Maker's Choice. This gives you the opportunity to create with all of your Christmas goodies. Thought it was a perfect theme to begin the year. And so even then, you can also enter into Saturday Morning Makes. So let's jump right in. All right, so this is what I use right here. Winter label motifs. I use all of those little Christmas goodies back there. And then I also use this die here, which is by Stamp Anything. And love the squiggly matte die. It's so cute and it adds such an impact. And I thought it was perfect for that Christmas scene. And then I also used the Merry Glinter Sentiments by Spellbinders, which goes with that glimmer foil machine. All right, so let's take a closer look. Oops, and I forgot to say also that I'm using this Distress Oxide Prize Ribbon. And I also put on Diamond Stickles. All right, and some little gems from Hobby Lobby. Love how that looks. That squiggly matte cuts out that double layer right behind it. I think that's one of the things that really got me that extra detail on there. And then love that merry and bright. I thought it was the perfect sentiment there. Just super cute. I did finish off the inside with just the matte layer, and I used that prize ribbon to color up that background. All right, so if you have the time, make sure you enter in on our challenge as well as Saturday Morning Makes. And I just want to once again take the time to wish you all a Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and have fun celebrating with your friends and family. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.